Hi everyone, in the previous video, if you saw that we are going to create something amazing, this time for cubes we just use circles. So how we use cylinders, it's just easy. We need to go here and insert them from here by holding shift. You see, then duplicate them to create your shape, and after that you come with that shape that I created in the past. Let's copy that, paste it here. I'm going to change them color. We're going to format them. I'm going to set the line, outline them on white, and the feel of them, I'm going to choose something dark, for example, like this, or I think that with better contrast like this. Okay, it's good. Now I'm going to copy the text, paste it here. I'm going to recolor it to the dark color because I like it, and I'm going to move these two things to the back for the effects. I'm going to send them to the back, send to back, then copy this slide, and here I'm going to bring them out to look amazingly beautiful. I think it's better this way. And bring this out. And this thing like this. Now I'm going to set the transition to morph. And you can see the magic happened. You see, it's pretty amazingly beautiful. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, have a nice